UK Inflation Index updated. Dash cams and motorhomes now included the United Kingdom's official measure of inflation, the Consumer Prices Index, CPI, has been revised to include dash cams and motorhomes among the 760-plus items used to track household spending. This change reflects evolving consumer habits and the growing economic significance of these products. Why this matters: the CPI is a critical tool for understanding price changes in the UK economy. It influences government policy, wage negotiations, and even interest rates. By adding new items like dash cams, a market now worth over £150 million annually, the ONS aims for a more accurate reflection of how people actually spend their money. The inclusion of motorhomes expands the coverage of the leisure vehicle sector, complementing existing data on caravans. The ONS noted that motorhomes represent a substantial portion of expenditure within the broader camping market. New additions and removals alongside dash cams and motorhomes. Other new additions to the CPI basket include non-alcoholic beer and pet grooming services. One motoring-related item was removed: Eurotunnel fares, which have been replaced with a measure of international rail fares. Existing motoring costs already track the CPI already accounts for many motoring expenses, including new and used car prices, vehicle maintenance, labor, wheel alignment, recovery services, fuel, petrol and diesel, taxes and fees, vehicle, excise duty, MOT tests, parking and driving lessons. The broader trend: this update signals a shift towards tracking spending on recreational vehicles and personal technology. Dash cams have surged in popularity due to increased awareness of road safety and insurance claims, while motorhomes benefit from the ongoing staycation trend and rising demand for domestic travel. By incorporating these items, the ONS ensures the CPI remains relevant to modern consumer spending patterns. This change underscores the importance of adapting economic metrics to accurately reflect real-world financial behaviors.